How to make drop-down list in Excel. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down list in Excel. For that, you need to follow the steps. First of all, you need to open your Excel document and here select the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. Once you have selected the cells, here in the top, click on this data option. Once you tap on this data tab, now you will access some more options. From this page here, you need to click on this data validation. Once you click on data validation, here at the left side, a dialog box will appear. In this data validation dialog box, make sure you have selected this settings tab. Once you have selected it, in this allow box, you can see currently any value is selected. You need to click on this arrow facing downward at the right side, and from here you need to select list. Once you have selected it, now in this source box, you can type the items directly separated by commas. Or else if you want to select a range of cells that contains the list items, then you need to click on this icon at the right side and then now select the range of cells. Once you have selected it, press the enter button and now click on this OK button to create the drop-down list. Now once you have created it, when you click on the cell, a drop-down arrow will appear. And once you click on this arrow, you will see the list you have created. Now from here you can select any one of these based on the data. Now you can simply repeat the process. So in this way you can make a drop-down list in Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.